The Intelligent Shop Window is one of the many concepts Philips Research is developing to provide people with an enhanced shopping experience. With the Intelligent Shop Window, shoppers can get information about the items on display just by looking or pointing at them.
Busted hard as iron, water like a stone, snow had fallen.
Phones seamlessly linked to the chance to buy them. Woven into this, a delicately tailored e-commerce site that mirrored all the good things Loom has become renowned for. We call it curbside commerce.
Within 10 months of rapid prototyping, we went through multiple versions and built a fully functional prototype. The experience speaks for itself. Touch, drag and explore the products, all in life size right in front of you. We used professional dancers for the interactive shoot to pull off some pretty impressive moves. Since smartphones are now our customers' first screen, we wanted the system to integrate in the easiest possible way with the devices I'm consuming. In the end, we found a way that was so great, we had to patent it.
Ja, und dadurch, dass man die Möglichkeit hat, eben sich mit dem Handy zu verbinden, ist es bestimmt. Also wir haben eigentlich nur diesen PIN eingegeben und dann konnte man direkt Artikel reinziehen und das hat man dann
gleich
direkt
auf dem Display gesehen.
If you know how to use a shopping bag, you know how to use
It's a little too busy. Too purple.
Too short. Too hot.
Yeah, that's new. Okay. I think my mom wore this. This is great. Flip.
To virtually try on garments and gives you an accurate idea of how that garment will fit on your body. The system allows a coloured heat map style interface where the red areas show that the fabric is being stretched and therefore is tight across the body, through the green and the blue where it's looser.
Really cool. It was really nice to see like the different shapes. You always think like one's gonna look better, but then the aviator was really nice. But definitely made me realize that I shouldn't get the Ray-Ban looking ones if I ever went glasses shopping again.
I think this was fun because it's just a game and then you don't have the pressure of the sale.
All the color choices that you have for this specific item. So we're gonna put you in a yellow. How about that? Excellent, right? What's your favorite color?
Purple.
Purple. Let's do a purple. Look at that. Fabulous.
Just for clarity, we're talking about the next connector PC release, we're talking about the hardware. Okay, sorry, just checking. Alright, it's just, oh, do you guys have access?
And explodes. Damn right. I look incredible. Hey, come on, man. I'm in this bigger boat from that thrift shop down the road. I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is f***ing awesome.
Consumer comes in the store, they don't find the product they like on the wall. We can show them a much greater range via the virtual footwear wall. The product becomes an access point to a wealth of information. I really think.
So here we have one of our translucent display boxes. What this allows us to do is showcase key product, but also tell a little bit more of the backstory around the product. So if we pick our department, we want to go to fan zone, it'll actually give us step-by-step instructions on where to go in the store. It'll show you a snapshot of what we can expect the department to look like, and then Doppler radar golf analytics. So we have a golfer that can take a shot here, and this will tell us all about the ball flight, all about the swing mechanics, and all the information we need to know to start tailoring clubs specifically to the golfer's needs. So we have the clinical gait analysis unit. Perfect, Tom, you can stop.
Big thing right now is just a thing you just have to use. We bring it here today at Kmart, and right now it's a big hit. It just draws the customer in, so it really helps build the Coca-Cola brand, and we're really excited to have it.
Prendy Labs presents The Store of the Future. Combining traditional bricks and mortar with digital technology and interactivity is the next step for retail in not only Australia, but the rest of the world. The internet has affected retail by offering a nearly limitless range of products at often cheaper prices with the convenience of shopping from anywhere. The physical retail store will always exist, but its form needs to change. It is the shopper's in-store experience that will get them talking and keep them coming back. The Store of the Future will take an omni-channel approach and create an environment that completely immerses the shopper. They will be able to quickly and easily find what they're after and can answer any questions or queries with the touch of a screen. Interactivity is one of the key attributes of the Store of the Future. Your customers will be able to dynamically engage with your product to find out more information without the need of a sales assistant. Technology lets customers see your entire product range, meaning less stock on shelves. A single item can stand in place for all of its size and colour variations to provide the look and feel, with remaining stock being held out the back or off-site, ready for instant delivery. This will remove the need for long lines, as orders and payment transactions can be processed anywhere in-store, even without the need of a sales assistant. Even today, customers have more technology at their fingertips than ever before, and they are not afraid to use it. Embrace the potential with a custom smartphone application, which will create an omni-channel experience for your shoppers while providing valuable insights into their preferences. Audience measurement can identify in-store demographics, allowing for more targeted campaigns. Content can automatically change based on who is looking at the screen, adding relevance to the individual shopper. Augmented reality can help add an appealing visual aesthetic to your store. Turn a lucky door prize, a simple welcome or thank you, or even a whole storefront into an amazing experience for your shoppers. Ultimately, it is about creating a personal, relevant in-store experience that the customer will remember. What does your store of the future look like? If you haven't started this conversation, then you're already behind. If you would like to know more about what the future holds for your business, contact us today at Prendy.